we've just launched CELLERGIZE. We have been waiting so patiently for this product to hit the market, and it's live today. I am excited to share with you more information about this product, how it can help you, how it can work in synergy with our patches with LifeWave, and be able to really help elevate your results, take everything to the next level. So I'm going to screen share. I've got a PowerPoint here that I want to share with you guys, and just to go over some of the basics of what you're going to find in CELLERGIZE and why this would be something that would be important for you to incorporate into your morning routine. I would say probably maybe 15 years now, maybe more, 20. I have been drinking a pre-workout, what I call a pre-workout, before I get my day started. Every single morning, I have an amino acid electrolyte blend, and that's just how I get my morning going, how I get my brain turned on, and really get ready to start my day. And CELLERGIZE has really taken that up a massive notch. I've been using this every day since back in January when we were able to purchase it. I ordered enough to make sure that I would have enough for myself and my family, so we could take advantage of all the benefits that CELLERGIZE has to offer. So let's take a look at that PowerPoint. All right. So let me move this really quickly here. I want my bar off of here. Let's move that down and out of the way. All right, perfect. There we go. So we're going to talk about what this product is, what's in it, and why it would benefit you. So in order to do that, of course, LifeWave has their own mission and what we're here to do: drive groundbreaking approach to wellness where cutting-edge technology meets the science of nutrition. Fantastic, right? CELLERGIZE. All right, so let's look what is in every single serving. So your serving size is going to look like 2 scoops of this. So not too much powder. Tastes amazing. Everyone's going to want to know that. This has a really nice light citrus flavor, so it's not like orangey, lemony, limey, but it's just a really refreshing citrus flavor. So you'll see we have essential minerals, we have amino acids, some very important electrolytes and vitamins. And then we're going to talk in detail about this plant extract, the cyanthocks, the sea buckthorn fruit extract. That's going to be a really game changer for you. And then, of course, a couple more amino acids backed by some serious science there and what they do. So we're going to talk a little bit about what this is going to do for you. So this is creating a foundation for you. This is a blend of all of the things I just mentioned with just that incredible flavor, of course. They say lemon ginger. I think it just tastes very light citrusy. But we're going to talk about what this does. This is going to support healthy stem cell activity. And it does that through the sea buckthorn fruit extract, which is powerful. We know as we age, our stem cells decline in their ability, they become dormant. And so this is going to support that healthy stem cell activity in your body, which makes it perfectly such a perfect marriage to partner with our X49 that elevates GHK-Cu, copper peptide, and of course, as we know, supports that healthy stem cell activity as well. So providing nutrients to support overall health and wellness, revitalizing your well-being, and of course, support that vitality and health of the cells, and complementing, of course, our non-transdermal patches in the LifeWaves line. But here's something I want you to really take note on. We are non-GMO. All of the ingredients are non-GMO. None of the ingredients have artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colorings. And we are completely gluten-free. So looking at something that has no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colorings and is non-GMO, you don't find that out there very often, especially packed with everything that's in here. So we're going to talk a little bit more about how this blend is going to provide a holistic approach to your health and vitality in just a minute. So here is our actual ingredients that you will see on the back of the container. And of course, you'll be able to see these in your back office as well too. So you can see the breakdown of the amino acids, of the electrolytes, And this that sea buckthorn, I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on that. That Cyantox is just going to be a game changer for you. Not many calories, obviously, so it's not going to mess up anybody that's focused on that, waistline. So looking at what's in our Cellergize, supporting your healthy stem cells is going to be the Cyantox and the copper, which of course we know with our X39, we always recommend you eat a square of dark chocolate every day, but you do have that as well in here. The antioxidant support is going to come from the other nutrients here. You can read them, of course. Supports the glutathione production, that NAC, which we all know is that precursor, as well as the glycine and the rest. Supporting the formation of GHK, AHK, supporting your immune system, your cellular health, and overall health and wellness, as well as a prebiotic fiber, which is called Fibersol. So here's your benefits. If you want to look at them, breaking them down, separately, antioxidant support here with these ingredients. And then we have stem cell activity over here on the right with these ingredients, which are providing that essential nutrients, that the precursors, the foundation of what you need for supporting stem cell activity and overall cellular vitality. Here are the other ingredients: boosting glutathione production, which we know is the master antioxidant, detox or immune booster. We're using our glutathione patch on a daily basis. So that is helping to keep our body healthy. And then, of course, copper peptide support. These nutrients do that. And we know that copper peptide, that's the fountain of youth, right? And then we've got our Cyantox elevating and helping support the healthy stem cell growth. And we know stem cells are the holy grail of healing. So again, looking at immune function, these nutrients do that, and digestive health, that is what your Fibersol is going to be doing to help with your digestive routine on a daily basis. So let's talk a little bit about sea buckthorn. This is the holy fruit in Tibet. It's found in century-old medicinal texts in Tibet and China. Recently, though, science has come to discover its dense nutritional content of omega-3, 6, 7, and 9 vitamins and antioxidants. So what is Cyantox? Cyantox is extracted from an ancient plant grown in Tibetan plateau called sea buckthorn. So through millions of years of evolution, sea buckthorn is a treasure of bioactive nutrients. Cyantox, water-soluble extract, is a unique and rich combination of the polyphenols and all of these other amazing components that make up Cyantox. So how do you use it? You grab 2 scoops, you mix it in 16 ounces of clean, healthy water, stir or shake, and drink that in the morning on an empty stomach if you desire, or of course you can with food. I like mine on an empty stomach. My son Trey likes his with food after breakfast. So don't exceed the amount. Make sure you stay with what we've got in here because that is what's required and recommended on a daily basis. So make sure you stay with that, and obviously storing it's pretty simple on your kitchen counter. So here are the patches that are directly impacted in a positive way from using Cellergize. I said earlier the precursors or the foundational nutrients, amino acids, and electrolytes that our body needs for these patches to work optimally. Now, all of our patches are non-transdermal. Some of these patches on here elevate peptides like the 3949 carnosine glutathione eon. We know that energy enhancer, IceWave, and SP6 trigger different processes inside of the body, all designed to help bring the body into balance in different ways through different pathways, so needing different nutrients to work optimally. Unfortunately, due to modern diet, most people are deficient in a lot of these things. We find that when you start analyzing nutrient panels with people. So using Cellergize is going to increase or enhance your results from using these patches. That's why David invented this. This is not something you can pick up, this combination of anything like this in any store. This is through your brand partners who introduced this technology to you. So here's our pricing. $69.95 is the wholesale price for a month's supply of the Cellergize. Now, if you are a preferred customer, then of course that's going to be $69.95 as well too, and retail customers $10 more. Okay? If you buy two of these at a time, the price drops down to $59. If you buy three of these at a time, the price is going to drop down to only $49.95 per unit, so per month supply. So you can get 3 months supply. So 7 times 3 is 210, or you can get 3 months supply for 150. It's a $60 savings. So this would be a great addition to your monthly subscription order or to what you're currently purchasing. And affordable, obviously. I know some of the pre-workouts or amino acid electrolyte blends I've taken in the past. They add up to be about $8, $9 a day, which is pretty pricey. When you look at this and you do the math, which I'm going to do for you really quickly here, you do the math on this. If we're buying these at $50 each, divided by 30 days, you're talking $1.66 a day. So very affordable amino acid and electrolyte blend, plus the Cyanvox that's in here. It's just mind-blowing. All right, so here are some real testimonials from real people that have actually used the technology. Of course, I'm not going to read all of these to you, but I know myself personally, my family, we have seen amazing benefits from this, just feeling great. Like the brain turned on just like that. Absolutely love it. In a clean, healthy, safe pre-workout or morning, get your day started routine, whatever you want to call that. I say pre-workout because in my family, we work out. I work out in the morning. Trey does not, and Brent does not. They like to work out in the evening. So for me, it's pre-workout first, then I hit the gym or I hit the road, start walking. So great testimonials from people in my organization that have also used them. So with that being said, this again is available today, starting June 16th. But I will let you know, I did have a conversation with corporate earlier, and there are only 40,000 containers. And I know that sounds like a lot, but we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people here in the US, because this is US right now only. We have hundreds of thousands of people that are brand partners that are utilizing LifeWave's technology. So I'm not saying that to like make you rush out and go purchase it, but if this is something you're interested in, I highly recommend you get online today and order yours, whether it's one container, two, or if you want the best pricing, of course, ordering 3 containers. So that way you have enough for maybe you and some other people in your family. We're a family of 3. So ordering 3 a month makes perfect sense for us to be able to take advantage of the best pricing for our family. So I look forward to hearing your results from CELLERGIZE and what you felt from it and how you can tell the difference, because you've been patching and you know you're getting results from the patches, of course. But the CELLERGIZE, I really believe it's going to take things up a notch for you. So keep us posted. We want to hear your success stories and what you're noticing from using the CELLERGIZE as well too. Thank you all.